start it. Oh, there we go. That works. Alright, cool. Cool, cool, cool. We are live in 2 different places right now. That is big. Hey, Ibrahim School. I'm gonna watch a new vid later though. Appreciate it, Ian, bro. You're the best. I'm gonna make a new one today as well. But like I said at the start, right? I'm gonna make them short and sweet, right to the point. I'm probably looking to take trades up into this zone here since we hit EQ and we've been so bullish. I would be interested in seeing a pullback though, at least to here. So I will probably not take a singular trade until we get the pullback that I need to bring us at least here. This is a bare minimum probably. And then once I get that, we do have a slight SMT here, but I'm not too worried about it. I would really enjoy seeing the pullback and then the move up. Taking all this liquidity here would probably be ideal. Simply because I think that's what makes the most sense. And if thing is that I don't think this is actually it, but it could be. It's always a game of reacting and not predicting. So I would like to think that this whole leg gets goes back to EQ, takes all this liquidity, and then we go up. So yeah. We'll just be patient and we'll wait, and 45 seconds till market open. And until then, guys, alright, sorry about the little silent bit there. I was just making my my thumbnail for the live. Not really making it, it's the same one as the videos. There we go. There's a pullback we want, or not the pullback we want, but there's a pullback we do want starting. For a while since I've taken a trade that I wanted, like, and it was a long. Feels so weird. We're gonna be taking longs today. First time in probably a month. We do leave down on the chart because I think it's pretty relevant. See how the market reacts from there. Maybe it goes all the way back too, because if you look at the bigger time frame leg, it just missed EQ. That's crazy actually. Do you see EQ right here? Like, I'm not the one making this up. Right here. See this top? Like, I'm not like, if you guys pay attention to this shit, this is actually crazy, dude. Even here, right? Breaks through the EQ, the high time frame leg, breaks back up. What does it retest? EQ up. So yeah, EQ's pretty strong. I'm actually gonna. I wasn't gonna modify it because I thought it was irrelevant, but I'm gonna modify it just because the sake of the titles and shit. There you go. I think I'm actually more up than that now too. Oh, that's exactly what I'm up. Okay. So it seems to be reacting off this FUG. Yeah. There's also the thing is today is that there's no news. Well, there's no real news. There's a yellow folder or an orange folder at 10. Which honestly makes today kind of not ideal. So we might actually just not be looking to take a trade today. Probably will though. Oh, sorry about that. We might do that yesterday, where it edged us from like one tick, and then went straight to TP. Today's video, Ian is order blocks. So it's gonna come out. But I have to record, so I don't know if I'm gonna do order blocks and breaker blocks in the same video. But I don't think so, simply because they're just not the same thing, and I don't want to confuse anyone, and I want people to have time to. Not like I have a million viewers, right? But I want some. Like if somebody watches, I want him to have time to go look in the charts before putting out anything else. I wonder if I should change categories on Twitch. On YouTube, I'm on education. I think it's fine. On Twitch, I'm on just chatting. But I wonder if I should go to like crypto or something, just to get more niche people. But maybe not. You're very welcome, Ian, bro. If anybody in the chat wants to go learn how to trade, I have a free academy on YouTube called Smart Money Academy, where I explain pretty much everything in detail. And at the end, that video is not out yet. It will be though. I will be explaining to you. I will be revealing my strategy, and I will be explaining to you how to build your own strategy, and also just make you a good trader. There's also my free Discord that depending on right now, the Discord's free and nobody's joining. But if one day I start charging for it, people are gonna trip. Is the music too loud? Yeah, I have two questions for you, Ian, bro. Is the music too loud, and do I sound any different? I made some modifications on my mic to try to sound more crisp before, like, until I order an actual good one. I was wondering if I sounded any better, or if I sound weird. Okay, cool. Cool beans, cool beans. I'm gonna. There you go. I modded you, Ian. You're now a mod in this chat. Write something in chat, see if it shows a little sword next to your name. Earned it. Oh, nah, W for you, bro. Means if somebody starts talking shit, you can ban them. Just don't ban everyone, please. Let's see here. If we're talking about just this leg, if we're going back bullish, I would enjoy it if it went in this here. How much points is this? This is big. Yeah, I probably wouldn't want this shit to retrace all the way. It's so sick. It's ridiculous. My girlfriend's also sick. By tweaking right now that I'm talking hella loud. Toxins running through my veins, feel like a ghost. I'm hiding all the pain. Why even care? Guess my feelings are the same. No matter what I say, guess I'll be okay. Alright, this market is kinda slow this morning. Pandemic, tonic on the rocks and a bottle of Hendrix. Ambition in my DNA, just like Kendrick. I'm about to reach the top and it's gonna be independent. I'm getting X and O's. Don't be dramatic, I say less is more. If you're too much, I gotta let you go. Don't be naive, don't send me X and O's. X and O's. Getting X and O's. Don't be dramatic, I say less is more. If you're too much, I gotta let you go. Don't be naive, don't send me X and O's. X and O's. X and O's. Are they in education, the other traders? Let me go check really quick. I think it's important to see what the competition's doing. The script for the order block video is already made to Ian, bro, so we good on that. I see that market actually ripped up. Okay. I need it's probably the high. I mean, if I was to this place up. mean, the target's probably right up here. Low, high. If a uni could form here, I'll enter off that. 5-minute uni. Targeting this probably. And like every bit of those highs.
Been falling in and out of reach. Yes, another story like the Beauty and the Beast. Feel like I'm medieval, cause I really found a queen, like a Hollywood movie.
Back in the day, I would put a buy side liquidity on every one of those highs, but I realized after, like, that would just confuse me. So now I only put one on the closest one that I want, and I move it up if I ever need. Because when I was putting a lot of them, it would just like make me hesitate and be like, oh, maybe it's gonna go. Like, no. Focus on one, then it takes it, then do the other one. It's a little trading tip.
Still standing tall and 30 shoes, don't need no glow up. Second guessing, I don't need to know what could have been better, who bitter, better, who worse. If life give you lemons, yeah, you know the words.
I don't know what category he's streaming on.
Slow down, be smart. If I drive, I'd probably crash the feeling like I'm Superman, flying over the skyline. You're just like a fine wine, aging makes you shine bright. I don't know what time it is, but I know the time's right. If anything bad will happen, you just need to hold on tight.
I have no idea. Oh well. Whatever. I have to look into this disclaimer as well. That I need to put. It pretty much says like, oh, what does this mean? Oh fuck.
All she want is love, but she know that love hurts. No telling about what it was if we both put in the work. This shit ain't built on trust, and I trust, but I still lurk. When you get it out the mud on my name, you can't throw no dirt. I wear my heart on my sleeve, girl. Promise me you'll never leave, girl. I'm wide awake, but you the girl of my dreams. You thought I just like the rest, but girl, it ain't what it seems. Don't focus on anybody but you and me. Got through all the fighting, they know we the ones to be. So insecure how the next who made it feel worthless. She still get up in a bag, no Birkins. She won't quit if it seems like it ain't working.
All right, there you go. I had to whip up a new this disclaimer. Market's ripping still. That's fine. I still think it goes here. Broke the S&T finally. Perfect. Okay.
Trust, but I still lurk. When you get it out the mud on my name, you can't throw no dirt. I wear my heart on my sleeve, girl. Promise me you'll never leave, girl. I'm wide awake, but you the girl of my dreams. You thought I just like the rest, but girl, it ain't what it seems. Don't focus on anybody but you and me. Got through all the fighting.
Alright, we took this. Move this here. Oh. Like this. Right here. This is useless now. This is useless now. Maybe a big goddamn FEG. It needs to like pull back now for the macro. Get a bit of a pullback like to here. Stock could be at the bottom here. TP all the way up here. It's kind of like what we're looking for here. You know? I don't think this FMC is worth it. But I do think that I can put my this here. Enter on EQ. Stop below T. This would be pretty ideal here. Following the trend. Comes back to this here. Also, unicorn. Up, down, up. FPG unicorn right here. I wonder if the other streamers are looking for longs today. If I was the only one that called this out. I mean, this is my target, but I kind of think this is fine too. If we can pull back to here and then move up to this high, I might take all. But I do think we move all the way to there. The reason is this is the new week opening gap, right? Why is it so big? Oh, the 4 hour. Like a volume imbalance. The real gap is here. But whatever, this is fine. This is actually lower than the gap. Fine. I wonder if I was to go check on another pair of NQ. If it would be there too. Dude, I'm so dead. I had a nice workout yesterday. Holy shit. Need to like create a dashboard. Actually, that was not what but settings, channel, bio. I'm not trying to like get pulled over or get stopped by the police. I knew that was gonna happen too. If I take subs, I take yeah, I take whey protein, and I take some like vitamins and shit. That's all I take. I don't really take like creatine and all that. But yeah, I take that whey.
You're pushing all your problems to the side of being blunt. Then you go ahead and take a lot of smoke one while you try to keep your mind straight. We both think it's too late now. Devil on my shoulder telling me to pipe down. Angels on your side telling you to take the crown. Yeah, I think I found a thing I need to reroute.
Add this to my bio legally.
Yeah, it would've lasted. Then you fooled around and got enough and backstabbed me. But I believe that we all got one heart, but nobody can change for the better. You only stuck with yourself.
All right.
See you right around town with a
I haven't gotten a single viewer on YouTube. That's actually crazy. I thought YouTube would rack in the viewers. But yeah, so I don't know if that answered your question, Ian, bro. But yeah, I do take some whey protein. I take isolate too, which is way more concentrated. I'm gonna enter like here. I'm gonna enter here. I'm not gonna be greedy with it. Probably will enter right here as soon as it hits, by the way. So, and we made like these relative equal highs here. I'm gonna wait for like a 1 minute inverse maybe. But, I don't know about all that. But that's really surprising to me. I really thought YouTube was gonna be where the viewers are gonna come in. Damn. That's crazy. Oh well. We're taking this challenge all the way to 50K, boys and girls, and when we're gonna be around 30K, that's when the viewers are gonna come in. Trust me, that's how this game works. The more money shown on the screen when you're in the trade, the more viewers are in the chat looking at it go up and down. I need this candle to reach down. Let's make a 15-minute too. Good. I prefer a 5-minute. What do you take, Ian? Work out? Of course you work out. You sound like somebody that works out. Okay. Where's the halfway point of this? If I put the stop here, I would actually have to go to here. I think stop could definitely be here. Bust you down, girl, you spoiled. Let me show you around, treat you like you royal, treat you like a goddess. Have you flexing on these bitches, they gon' talk shit. I'll have you flexing on your ex, cause that shit toxic. I'll probably manage that as we go. I keep my circle small, I don't need no new friends. Last pack almost got new and fluent. If you talking money, then you know I'm fluent. Let's see. My day one's always been with working out is pretty sick. Gotta keep trust in the process. Life a gamble, grab the dice and I toss it. Ain't no reason for me to be living cautious, as long as I'm winning more than my losses. Keep it real, baby, you know I can see through that facade. My eye on you, I've been swerving all these bras. I ain't got no time. If there's no money, there's no time. I'm gonna buy a camera for vlogs. Put a link in chat. Buy this shit for some vlogs. Pretty sick. My deadlifting PR. 4 plates. Not that big. I stopped deadlifting. Like I didn't deadlift for long. Yeah. I had 4 plates. Conventional deadlift, of course, which is 405 pounds. I think the deadlift. I've been working out for like 5-6 years now. I squatted 3 plate 25, which is 365 pounds. I benched plate 25, which is 285 pounds. I don't know if you're working kgs. Look, I can show you. Flea market doesn't just go here. Let me show you it. This was me 6 days ago. Right. Now I train more for aesthetic. That makes sense. Fuck. He's gonna die. Pull back slightly like that. Oh, we're sad. I'm gonna be patient. I'm gonna wait. If it goes, it goes without me. Like I said, I wasn't very interested in taking a trade today, just because I kind of knew it was gonna be slow and annoying. There's just this one candle here that's kind of big. I was thinking about that, bro. I was thinking about that. I need to make time for that too. Like in the morning I trade, and I post some shorts and stuff of the while I edit the video like this one. When I film the SMA, go gym, all that good stuff. I need to find time to edit the SMAs as well into the annoying part is that I need to like make it for mobile, which is honestly kind of annoying. Not annoying, but it's like finicky. Whereas on Twitch, it kind of does it by itself. I can go and make a clip, make it good for mobile, and then place the things, and being it's done. I also need to find a good segment of the Smart Money Academy to put on TikTok to grab people. I think I just need more of an attention grabber, really. Something that's gonna. I was talking to my girlfriend about this. I might start doing like little skits just here and there, for TikTok and shit. Just because most people want to be distracted or laughing, or they don't want to start watching somebody that just throws information at them.
She on the gram without a plan, now she got her OnlyFans. She want the bands, now you fan, out here flexing on the gram. She only draws a foreign, call you when she is bored, and she never had a plan. She got her OnlyFans. She on the gram without a plan, now she got her OnlyFans. She want the bands, now you fan, out here flexing on the gram. She only draws a foreign, call you when she is bored, and she never had a plan. She got her OnlyFans. She live up in the hills, she gotta pay her bills. She got an attitude on God, that's why she taking pills. She got her OnlyFans, don't judge when you a fan. Designer on demand, life's hard without a plan.
Going to Costa Rica soon. I know those videos are gonna probably do well.
She want the bands up in the safe, she wanna know where she can stay. Everything she wanted, lifestyle on point, and try to fall in love when she's so private and so boring. She on the gram without
Reaction videos like other traders? What do you mean? I don't really watch other traders on the TikTok. They just kind of like. I find a lot of them like.
Sorry.
You can just tell that they don't practice what they preach. Is there a specific trader in mind when you say that does reaction? I could go check it out. There's a very big delay too on Twitch and YouTube versus if we were in the Discord. In the Discord, there's no delay, right? Instant. So yeah, I wonder which trader you're referring to as reaction, or like what type of reaction? Just me reacting to other traders, calling them out. Could do that.
Around it, baby, when I think about having you near, it get hard sometimes around it, but still I never keep you close. I know it ain't easy for you, babe, just know it ain't easy for me either. I know things will never be the same, still I think it's best for us, yeah. Could've gave you everything, but you lost me, baby, please don't call me up, there's no need, ay. There's no need, yeah, yeah, yeah. Could've gave you everything, but you lost me, baby, please don't come around, there's no need, yeah. Said there's no need, she gon' hit me up again, baby, you just gotta understand, never should've listened to your friends, who the hell is they, don't make a man. There's no need for conversation, baby, no need to say the things that you'll be saying. There's no need for contemplation, baby girl, we both figured it out, good and well. I still overthink, can't get you out of my mind. get to me when the sun goes down. Could've gave you everything, but you lost me. Baby, please don't call me up, there's no need. There's no
Police to FX.
Could've gave you everything, but you lost me. Baby, please don't come around, there's no need. Said there's no need.
Want to quit your job in 90 days? Here are 9 trading terms you must know. If you this is an 80% win. Here is a secret 5-minute scalping strategy.
Technical analysis is bullshit. You can have
Too many trading strategies out there? Just remember this one. This is the breakout trading strategy. You should be using the break and retest strategy to make easy money in the Forex markets.
Okay, he does videos like that. They watch their own trades, or they watch other people trading and they react to it?
Asking me when I'm dropping, gotta go and now they say I'm popping, never showing now cause they watching, going crazy why they say stop it, make a hit and then I go top it. She from Spain, hold on, speak no English but she know about the game. Book a flight, I'm feeling like I'm ready for the fame. What do I know? All like Lionel, overnight, what a ride, what a time. She from Spain, hold on, speak no English but she know about
I could do that and like post like one a day. I don't want to like overflow as well, like, or like overpost. I could just find TikToks to react to. That is good.
Reacting to my viewers' trades, and this is a 10 out of 10 winning trade. Alright, let's start with the entry. As you
Yeah, this is probably what I'm gonna start doing. Good call there, Ian, bro. Oh, this is going on me. G. GG. He's gonna go to target without me. That's okay. That's fine. It's crazy how this challenge has forced me to be so patient, bro. Like, I was always patient with my trades, but this challenge brings it to a whole nother level, because if I trade or if I take anything less than a like A or A plus setup and I lose, it's like a pretty big loss. It wipes out the whole win from before. A loss wipes out a win pretty much. I don't like full port the account. You should never full port an account, but this is a flip account, so I risk it a little bit more than I'm supposed to. So yeah, every trade is like pretty important, if I say.
Inside how you sit in the mood, all those late night drives I can barely see through. I can't make sense of your ways right now. We way past tense, so are you still around? Two wrongs don't make a right, baby. Type of shit you said enough. I'm tired of picking fights with you. Yeah, can't be more than friends ourselves. And baby girl, it ain't that hard to tell you and I was never bound to end up well. It's a fucked up situation. I might hit the club just to find a replacement. And you got me in your rotation, hoping it'll speak to you that I'll say shit, but I don't say shit, no.
Damn, this trader actually was a gazillion vids. Holy hell.
I don't say shit, no. I don't. You started asking me questions and you said, have you ever been in love? And have you ever said the names? I know we both have a past, but it don't need to be explained. Can you look me in my eyes and tell me this won't be the same? You got my heart right here and we both sincere, so we got none to fear, yeah. I've been running up, got me right here, got my mindset clear, there'll be no more tears, yeah. Fucked up situation, I might hit the club just to find a replacement.
It's moving slightly down, which is fine. We might actually get our entry after all.
Can't be more than friends, then we'll probably end up hurting ourselves. And baby girl, it ain't that hard to tell you and I was never bound to end up well. It's a fucked up situation. I might hit the club just
Gonna off this 5 too.
and you got me in your rotation, hoping it'll speak to you that I'll say shit, but I don't say shit, no. I don't say shit, no.
Let me write it in my phone
I don't say shit, no.
so I don't forget.
I don't.
Alright. There we go. This one I won't forget. Dude, I did a back day yesterday and my back is fried. I lifted my glass of water and I felt the muscle in my back twitching. Imagine that. I'm also gonna get a new mic. Look at this mic I'm trying to get. This is the mic I want. Hopefully, it's better. Was the right one? Was the wrong one? Oops. Okay, it's headed towards this. Hit it a little fast, that's fine. Also have 15 right below. We're at the same level even. Perfect. Sorry about that. Scratch the back of my ear. Yeah. Okay. Alrighty. Come on, boy. Oh, let's take a trade here. Stop it, bro. So good. It's so one. I'm banking on this FPG holding. Good. Go, hit it. CISD right here. That's quite bearish. SD, stop below FB. might actually be getting into a trade here. I don't really like the time. Okay, inverse this. Good. Close above the CFTC. Test it. I wouldn't mind it. Okay, even target the top of the volume balance. Probably worse. The 1 to 5. Oh. I feel literally taking it here. Out of the stop. Here. Let's just wait and see. Yep. Seems pretty. Risking 65. That's crazy. Oh. Close. And hopefully, yeah, hopefully we hope. Here's fine. Stop here in case it's really fast, and I can always move it down if I need. We definitely go back to this here. I'm not the biggest fan of trading on no news days though, so I'm gonna go be very fast here. Probably way too fast. Already gonna bring this up. Placement up, good. One. This is like a B+ trade for me here because we're on a no news day, and we're B. We just let it go, and let's see. I don't even care if I get stopped out. Let's see it. Especially with Trump as president, maybe I'll check this account. Right now, I'm just really looking. Did not destroy it. As you actually see, I went BE super quickly, simply because of where we are in the data. We are in that time, right? This is not a time I'm used to trade. It's not a time where I have a high win rate, so you gotta be more careful. When you know your stats, it's easy to be careful. Here I'm gonna be also wary of the fact that, oh no, this is gonna go. I think this is gonna go. Realistically, I need 82 bucks to go to the next one, and I'm already there. So I could take TP right here, but I won't because this displacement is pretty mad. Right? I think it'd be a mistake. I'm definitely gonna go stop in profit though. There's no way. You're kidding me. Come on. Stop playing. Inverse all this and we're confident. Respect it and sad. I think we're sad. I'm looking to manage this as we go. I think I can stay in this. Okay. If this FPG closes, we're out. This is the one that has to hold. 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 Okay. We're gonna wait a bit more. Gonna wait just a tad more. Kind of dilly-dallying here. I think it's fine, really. I don't like that it keeps making these wicks. I want it to push through. I'm kind of scared that it's just grabbing liquidity to go down. I'm not actually scared. I'm just like, it'll be a bummer. Because the trade looks really good. He's doing these. At one point, it's gonna close like that. It's gonna go. Oh, I think this is it right here. Nope. Okay, it's fine. It's all good. Come on, send it. Oh, why, bro? Why does he keep doing this to me? Is there 1 minute? 5 minutes? Yeah, it's either 1 minute now. Alright, now it has to go. Now it has to inverse all this. Very close to the stop here. I'm confident in this though, so I'm actually gonna bring this down further here. Because I do think that it goes. I'm actually gonna go even lower. I am confident in this, and the trade's B anyways. I'm not losing anything. Oh, see, I would have been stopped out right there. Okay, no, I'm gonna get stopped out. Oh yeah. Damn. Oh my god. Saved? It has to go. It has to go though. I cannot go back. This has to go. It's funny because these numbers update before the candle side. Like, you look here and you can just tell. Out. Ow. Oh. Okay. Well, that looked really promising. Instead of being, if I had put my stop at the 82 mark, it would have tapped it perfectly. 1 to 3. Damn it. Oh well. Good luck to enter again. But it's fine. Respecting this 5 or this 1. Respect the CISD as well. Fuck you. Here. Is this OTE of the leg? It is. It's respecting it. Okay, it's actually quite bearish. But I do think if this 1 holds again, it's not. Alright, I think I'm gonna call it here, guys. 1 BE trade today. Could have ended in profit, but I was confident. Rip. Rip, rip, rip. It's an in versus this big FEG that it was struggling. Maybe. Maybe. Try again like this. Maybe. Maybe. Based on the fact that it went OTE of that leg. Stock can go here. Yes, isn't doing a lot, huh? I guess NQ isn't doing a lot either. Okay. Yeah, we out. Think I didn't take that trade. Alright. On that note, guys, have a good rest of your day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Twitch. Go watch my YouTube videos. I have a Smart Money Academy there where I teach you guys how to trade for free. So I think that's pretty valuable. And yeah, I'll catch you guys on all the other social medias. And have a good rest of your day. Peace out, guys.